What is good, guys? Good morning. We're currently at the workshop putting in some OT. We want to try and finish up a whole bunch of cars that are here just so we can get on top of things. But one thing that I will be working on is that 33 we did last night, just tidying up the wiring, getting the ECU all put in its proper place and everything. So all that needs to be done with that next week is go to the dyno and make some power. I have someone coming to look at the 34 today. So we're not sure how that's gonna go. Maybe it'll sell, maybe it won't be mine anymore after today. It's hurting me a little bit, like my heart's a little bit like upset. Anyways, I don't really know what to say. Here's something I can talk about, is that hat. Let's go look at that. So this snapback hat was actually one of the first ones we ever got made. It was our product, like kind of like our sample before we changed it, and we didn't get the fully round one. We got kind of the straight ones that came out like that. But these two signatures, if you know any of these two guys, you should know their signatures. This one's Okachan, and this one is Tsuchiya, Keiji Tsuchiya. So it was pretty cool. That was when I first met Okachan for the first time at Tokyo Auto Salon in like 2012, I think it was. So quite a long time ago now. But that was when our relationship started. At the same time, he kind of introduced me to Keiichi, which was kind of an interesting day. He's a real character, that's for sure, especially behind closed doors. So anyways, enough chit chat. Let's get straight into work. Oh, it's so bright. All right, got everything all tidied up and done in there, as you can see. Just got the Link ECU software open. It's a bit hard to see with the glare on this laptop. But this ECU, the customer provided it. I think he bought it secondhand. It's an old Link G4, so it's not the G4 Plus. So we had to install the older Link software, but it's relatively the same. Obviously, there's just not as many features. So I'm gonna go through here and finish setting this up and getting it idling a bit better. Right now it idles pretty good though, so if we give it a crank, it's not too bad. It's actually like really good at 500 RPM, but when you give it a little bit of a blip with the throttle, see, it's not the best. It doesn't catch itself too well. So probably need to change the injector settings, and we'll go put a bit more fuel in there as well, just because I think she's running really low. All right, got her running pretty decent now. So everything's looking pretty good. I'm gonna just take a quick squeeze at everything in the engine bay. Got some smoke coming off the turbo and the manifold, which is all normal. But she's idling really smooth now. That's pretty sick. All right, well, got a deposit. She sold. Guys will pick it up in about a week and a half, so I got time to send the ECU off to Link to get repaired. But it's an end of an era. The 34 has sold. It hurts to say that. I don't know. I'm a little bit depressed. I think tonight I'm gonna need someone to hold me. Maybe, and May's not here in Australia, so. Sammy, can you hold me tonight while we look at pictures of the 34 together?
Sure.
Oh, you can't even see him. There we go.
Sure.
Sure. Oh man, it's so bittersweet.
It is bittersweet, but means
S15 shenanigans in Japan. You guys might remember this red 33 from the meet the other night. It's Emily's car, and this is her partner who just bought the 34. But yeah, we're bringing it in because we're going to do a quick diff oil change. She's got a two-way in there as well. Loud and clunky, as you guys know. Some fresh oil fixes that right up. So we're going to get into that and we'll go from there. But I do have an important question. What are you going to do to the car? What's the first mod?
Well, I'm going to enjoy it for a little bit, and then the engine's going to come out of it. So it'll be rebuilt and I'll make it my own thing.
How much horsepower? What's your goal?
Between 6 and 8.
Yes!
Couple of years, but it'll happen.
That's good. And that's exactly what I wanted for the car, you know, like I'm in Japan, I live there, I rarely am in Australia, so I'm not motivated to build the car, and I'd rather someone else enjoy it than it sit in storage. So I'm really happy that Kyle, who's actually grabbing the car, is actually someone that wants to do pretty much what I wanted to do with it. And it's just, I don't know, it feels good, but it's also bittersweet, you know what I mean? Ooh, pump it. He's single, ladies. Got all the cars inside. Pretty decent time to be leaving. I think it's only like a half day-ish. What is it? Like, yeah, it's pretty much 1 o'clock, so pretty awesome. We got here at around 8:30. Kyle's only put a deposit on at the moment for the car, and final payment will be in about a week and a half to 2 weeks. So during that time I get to drive my car. Obviously I'll be babying it around everywhere because technically it's not going to be mine anymore. So anyways, I'm going to pack up my laptop and everything, not forget the charger, and we'll head home. How do you get up this mammoth of a driveway in this thing?
I have to drive all the way around the island and come up on like this massive angle. It still scrapes.
Oh my gosh.
But
Man, that's a mission. All right, we're here scanning the GS with the scan tool, see if we can figure out why it's doing some weird stuff. So if I ever need any mirror parts, I know Graham's got spare motors and everything here. Look at this.
This isn't even half of it.
Oh, there's 3 here. There's another one there. Look at that little mini air compressor there. These engines are practically the same size. That's awesome. So if I blew an engine up from a mirror with nitrous, I could potentially use one of these?
Possibly.
Okay.
I mean, that one's still good. That one's got a blown head gasket, and that one, this is the crank from it.
Is it okay? Oh, no, she's not okay. All right, but there's still 2 motors here that I could potentially use if I blew one up with nitrous. Hey.
We got spare gearboxes, you name it, we got it.
Oh. Oh. Well, we need a mirror and some nitrous apparently. Since I'm losing the 34 in like 2 weeks, I still have like a week where I need a car to get around on. So do you know any $500 mirrors with like 2 weeks of registration on them? Is that possible?
We've been having a look. We've been keeping
See if we can find a mirror, because
hopefully, yeah.
I'd be down for that. Drive it for a bit, put some NOS on it.
Maybe even turbo.
Because NOS is totally legal in Australia, right?
Sure.
Yeah. Graham's going to show you what I've been doing sitting here while Sam's trying to figure this out. This is, I've just been serenading the GS. Yeah, come on. Playing together. We're hoping it's going to fix it. Just, you know, through music. That's a therapy, right?
Sure.
Sure. As if it's the Crab song.
Music's the best
if I
therapy.
could play the Crab song, that would fix it, right?
Oh, that'd fix it instantly. Sure. Yeah.
You don't want to sell this to me for $500 for a week?
Actually.
For a week?
Actually, my mate Ray is about to lose his license.
Ooh.
And he was talking about selling his. It looks exactly the same as this.
Yep.
On Hotwires, S13 coilovers, 5-speed manual.
$500, Rego?
Maybe.
Maybe.
It's about to run out of Rego, that's the only thing.
Well, that's what I need. As long as it runs out after I leave.
Well, I'm not too sure how long.
It'll be for sale again once I leave. So,
maybe I'll just buy it back off you.
Yeah. I mean, it just might not have a running engine.
I'm always keen for spare parts.
Yeah, I mean, you'll get a NOS kit with it. Okay, so I just got home and just walking away from the car, looking back at her. Oh, man. At least I got her for like another week and a half, 2 weeks until everything's finalized. But man, so bittersweet. Definitely an end of an era with this car, guys. Like, huge end of an era. So I am currently FaceTiming with May. She's in Japan, obviously. And who are you with, babe? Elbow. So these guys are actually going to be taking over the... Elbow. These guys are going to take over the vlog from here because something crazy is about to happen. Right, babe?
Yep.
Cool. All right, well, I'll leave it in your care, and hopefully your iPhone is good enough. See ya.
I'm here with Albo-san.
Hello. Hello.
We're going to somewhere.
A secret location.
Secret location in Saitama. We can't tell you what we're gonna do.
We're under wraps, under NDA.
NDA, yes.
We agreed with Sam we wouldn't spoil the surprise for you guys.
Exactly.
So just keep watching.
Yep.
We're gonna hop on a train. It's like a two hour ride.
Yep.
Over there, right? So.
Yep.
Okay, so just going to give you guys a bit of context here. May and Elbow are actually on their way to Yashio factory to pick up the R33.4. It's completely finished being repaired and good to go. Obviously, I'm not in Japan, so Elbow graciously offered to go pick it up and bring it home for me, and May's going with him because obviously the bill needs to be paid for. May wasn't able to film anything at Yashio factory, kind of revealing the car and what was going on. So the video is going to actually pick up from when they get to McDonald's to eat, and she's going to show you what the car looks like. So check it out.
Okay guys, sorry. It took us 2 hours to get to our next destination. We got into a traffic jam and we almost ran out of gas and all these things happened, but right now we were able to settle in a McDonald's eating our meal that we haven't ate for like 12 hours. So yeah, we're here and the car is here, so let me show you how clean it came out to be. New front bumper, all painted, all neatly and nice. All the fenders fixed except for this part that's missing, that thing, and that's an easy fix, but look how clean it looks. It's so nice. And also, let me show you the back. Ha! The paint job is all awesome. It's so nice. Well, Sam's not gonna get to drive it for like another month, so it'll be in my hands. Let's see how much I can wreck it. So I'm actually with Albo's friend right now, and we're just chilling at McDonald's right now. But I just wanted to show you something really cool. This is Ken from Honkigumi. You already know their name. You know what they do. If you don't, Google it. You'll soon find out what they do. But this is his GTR. How nice does it look? It looks nice. I really like the silver paint. I mean, red's nice too, but if I maybe own a car, maybe I would want it this color. Time warping ahead. We are heading back home. You alright, Al?
Yep.
So it's currently 1:13 right now. We had a very, very long day, but thanks to Albo. You're having too much fun on this car.
This is great. This is wonderful.
Anyways, we've had a really good day. The vlog ends here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the journey. Yeah.
Make sure to follow my channel.
Yes, follow Albo's channel.
I make cooking videos and like videos about, you know, like dogs and stuff. Probably not interested. Actually, don't subscribe. Don't do it.
No, man. I mean, all jokes aside, you know, you already know who he is. Well, the links will be on the description. Sam, make sure you put that in. And I guess you can, if you want to drive it until Sam comes back. You can. I don't know. Just don't wreck it.
I gotta take it back to place.
So ne. Abunai. Anyways, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.